Hi there, I'm Tom. I love my phone. I use it every day, but this week I lost it. No phone for one whole week. Let's see what happened, and let's learn some easy English words together. Day 1. Confused and disconnected. In the morning, I woke up and looked for my phone. It was not there. I felt confused. No messages, no calls, nothing to check. I ate breakfast in silence. It felt strange. New words. Confused, confused, confused. Message, message, message. Check, check, check. Habit, habit, habit. Day 2. Focus and calm. Today was quiet. I read a book. No phone, no noise, just peace. I went for a walk. I looked at the sky, the trees, my breath. I felt calm. I could focus. I started to enjoy it. New words. Calm, calm, calm. Focus, focus, focus. Enjoy. Day 3. A creative day. I had free time, so I drew a picture. Then I wrote a story and painted something. It was fun. New words. Draw, draw, draw. Idea, idea, idea. Notebook, notebook, notebook. Paint, paint, paint. Day 4. I miss people. I missed my friends. I missed my family. I missed their voices. So I used a landline phone. I called my sister. It felt old but nice. New words. Miss, miss, miss. Call, call, call. Voice, voice, voice. Day 5. Offline fun. I met a friend at the park. We walked and talked. We had lunch together. No phones, just real life. It felt good. New words. Walk, walk, walk. Talk, talk, talk. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Day 6. A bit bored. Today was slow. I felt a little bored. I listened to music, took a short nap, cleaned my room. It was boring, but useful. New words. Bored, bored, bored. Nap, nap, nap. Clean, clean, clean. Day 7. I learned something. 1 week, no phone. I had time to think. I learned something important. I don't need my phone all the time. Now I feel free and happy. New words. Think, think, think. Learn, learn, learn. Free, free, free. Happy, happy, happy. Which word do you remember best? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple English stories.